Check out this pride of Madiera. Tons of bees on the flowers. Springtime is here. And they're smelling all these great flowers here. There's like 3 to 4 bees on each flower right now. This plant's from island of Madeira, Spain. The drought tolerant plant. Low maintenance. You just gotta cut it back to whatever shape you want, or height and width, once a year. It's got these nice smelling purple flowers, and they can get fairly large. This one here is maybe 10 feet wide and 6 foot high. Yeah, as well as maybe 5 feet long. But I've seen them be, 100 square feet. Super large plants. You can see the trunk here in the back allows it to put a lot of roots down and really get good coverage for the water. That's why it's pretty drought tolerant. Beautiful plant. Need to give me one of these.